just want to first give thanks to God for walking out a minor accident, but still have to give thanks.
.876 Streets is powered by
Massive Auto Parts. Quality parts and cars at unbeatable prices.
Swift Team Services. Your freight, our priority.
Jeffrey Constructions Limited. It's all in the name.
Well, I can't explain the feeling yet because we're not back on track, you know, but about to.
So how prepared are you for the event today? I mean, what are you expecting?
Well, I mean, the last time the car ran, it was a winning car. And he's a winning driver. So we definitely here to continue that trend where we left off 10 months ago. We're looking at around the goal for today is definitely the fastest two-wheel drive. it's basically the same car from last year October. So no challenges, just basically maintenance and preparation. Check and double check, triple check. was on the flying the lap 2 of the championship run. We use the first 3 runs and put them together and say, alright, we're gonna do what we came here to do. However, the car rack and pinion broke, causing me to not have control of the car. The steering was basically stuck, so that ended my day on the last run. How am I surface up? Well, you still afraid? Still afraid?
No, they went about pressure. No kind of pressure. They went in a class.
No, but it's still don't get it, so you don't make a difference.
So, viewers, in case you're watching and you don't know what's happening, right? We have Nicholas Band here and we have the champion. We have to say big up Demar. Yeah, man. Impressive time. Don't go too far, Demar. Don't go too far. I mean, a great day. I mean, your fans were definitely entertained.
Most definitely. To say it was not a great day, I would not be truthful. The car held up well. It was running absolutely amazing, just like it always did. But after so long, 10 months of not getting this type of pressure, couldn't ask more from her. Driver is a bit rusty as well, but you know, in the end, as you saw, we put it together and you know, that's what we feel. We came here to win the fastest 2-wheel drive on our class. We did so. We was just in pursuit of basically seeing how we would fare against the 4-wheel drive, you know.
So the overall.
Exactly. We're always pushing the limit. We were seeing how close we could get to the overall win. But nonetheless, we got what we came for, fastest 2-wheel drive and a class win. So, mission accomplished.
There you go. What's next on the agenda for Nicholas?
Well, we're gonna look on the schedule and basically see and pick and choose. First, we have to get the car repaired. Suffer some minor front end damage. Tomorrow or later on in the week, we would definitely have to do an assessment, and that would be the first step before we can talk about events. Yeah, so we just want to say a special thank you and big up to the sponsors, because you know, without them it's not possible, you know. We want to big up Bond, yeah, we want to big up Sprint JA, we want to big up Keys Wrecking and Life Call Ambulance Service. Special thank you to all of them. Without them, it wouldn't be possible.
Alright, well, all the best, Nick, and you know we'll catch up.
Oh, definitely, and we just want to big up 876 Street all the time.
Every time. Big up.
Big up, bro.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.